Hi everyone, I am Snowlandy Tumanor, and for today's video, I'll be going to share some information about COVID-19 on how to protect yourself and others from COVID-19. So first, let's give a brief introduction about COVID-19. COVID-19 is also known as coronavirus, that it is a kind of disease or a virus that came from Wuhan, China, and it is slowly spreading around the world, especially here in the Philippines. Coronavirus affects thousands of people's lives that leads to death. So that's why we need to know the important ways or to avoid or to slow the spread of COVID-19 here in Philippines. And the most common symptoms of COVID-19 is fever, dry cough, and tiredness. So let's start. 3 important ways to slow the spread of COVID-19. First is wearing a mask to protect yourself and others from COVID-19. Second is stay at least 6 feet about 2 arms length from each other or to those people you don't live with. And then avoid crowded places, because the more people you are in contact with, the more most likely you are exposed to COVID-19. So in wearing a mask, everyone, even if you are adult, young or older, should wear a mask in a public places. And then staying at least 6 feet apart from each others. And when you are in your household, well, if someone in your household are sick, then you should, or people in the household should take precautions in wearing a mask. So in wearing a mask, you should wash your hands first. In wearing a mask, secure it under your chins. Cover under your chin, then fit the mask properly. When the mask doesn't fit properly, then find a different brand of mask. When you are wearing your mask, wear your mask that you can breathe easily. Stay 6 feet away from others. Inside your home, avoid close contact to those people who are sick. And when you are outside your homes, always remember to put 6 feet of distance from each others. And also remember that those people without symptoms can also spread virus or the symptoms. Next is avoid crowds or avoid crowded places, because like those bars, fitness centers, or restaurants can put you at higher risk of COVID-19, so that's why we should avoid crowded places. Avoid poorly ventilated places. When you are indoor, avoid spaces that do not offer fresh air. When you are indoor, you should bring in fresh air by opening doors and windows. And then next is wash your hands often. Wash your hands often. In washing your hands, you should wash your hands with soap for at least 20 seconds. And then if soaps are not available, then use hand sanitizer that contains at least 60% of alcohol. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands. And the especially important to wash is before eating, before touching your face, after restroom, after leaving public places, after blowing your nose, coughing or sneezing, after handling your mask, after changing a diaper, after caring for someone sick, after touching animals or pets. So that's are those importance, the after and before to wash. Cover, cough, and sneezes. When you are coughing or sneezing, always cover your mouth and nose with tissues, then throw used tissues, and then immediately wash your hands. Clean and disinfect. Clean and disinfect frequently touches surface daily, like those tables, doorknobs, faucets, or um, the light switches. If surfaces are dirty, then clean them with detergent and soap, and then use a household disinfectant. Next is monitor your health daily. In monitoring your health, you should be alert for symptoms. You should watch for fevers, coughs, and shortness of breathing. Take your temperature. In taking your temperature, always remember that do not take your temperature within 13 minutes of exercising or after taking medications that could lower your temperatures. So that's all, and thank you for watching and listening. And last, always remember to wear your mask always. Wash your hands with soap. If soaps are not available, then use hand sanitizer that contains of 60% of alcohol, and avoid crowded places. Stay at 6 feet away from others to protect yourself and the others. And also, we should always follow these rules because it is also for our health, for ourselves. Thank you.